Okay. So let's go. Queencard.
Okay, let's go. We sang total of 3 songs. How was it? Good? Thank you. So since everyone seems to enjoy, I hope our actual show starts very, very soon. I think should we just start the show right now? Yes. Let's go. Sorry. Let's go. We have things to get ready before our show, right?
Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we really need to get prepared for our real actual show. So, can you guys just please wait for us for a moment? Yeah. Because I think tonight is gonna be crazy too. So please get ready for the actual show, okay? And thank you again for joining us with the sound check, and see you guys very, very soon.
Yeah. Say our goodbyes for now. This has been I-dle.